Good morning from the amazing, one of the most beautiful hotels here in Gambia, Kombo Beach Resort. We're here to get breakfast today because here in Kombo Beach Resort, we do have breakfast for our guests, which is usually a buffet, not your regular breakfast. Mr. Singate, as a guest here in Kombo Beach Resort, what do you have for breakfast today?
Well, actually, we have a very diverse breakfast. Like the English breakfast, the continental breakfast, it all is incorporated in one breakfast. So basically, we provide hot station, we provide bread stations, and as well as the variant station as well.
And I could see fruits and milk, juice, and different type of detox water here. That is very good for our health system. I mean, how did this idea came about? Because this is very unique. You can't find it in all hotels.
Well, actually, we have been in this business for quite a long time now, and we know the needs of the people and what the people want. That's why we come up with this idea of detox water. We also mix fruit juices for our customers so that they can have the choice they want, because their needs is our priority.
Guys, we're here and we have different things to choose from. For the cereal lovers, you guys have here different type of cereals. I mean, there's cornflakes, there's oats and everything. We even have, wow, sweet tooth. There's donut, there's cake and everything. But the first thing I'm going to do is pastry. So I'll just grab my Dennis pastry right here. Oops, yeah. And one croissant, the French croissant. Just had one. And moving on, we have different type of breads as well here. I love the way that is designed, looks very amazing. Oh my god, we even have Tamala in Kombo Beach Resort. This is absolutely amazing. But I do love my toast, so I'll just pick one, put it in here, and let it slide. While I wait for my toast to get warm, we have here butter, there's cheese, there's everything that you might want, and we cater for everybody. For vegetarians and non-vegetarians, we cater for everybody. So if you are a guest in this hotel, just know that breakfast is absolutely free for you because we provide bed and breakfast. But if you're an outsider and you still want to come and try our wonderful delicacies, you're still welcome. All you need to do is call us and we'll tell you the price to pay to come and join us. And over here, I saw my favorite thing as a Gambian. What I love the most is akara, because I grew up eating akara, which is very healthy and nutritious. And I saw someone making them very nice here. Hi there, how are you? So I'll just grab 2 of these because I absolutely love them. If you haven't tried akara and in Gambia, if you're in Gambia and you haven't tried akara yet, trust me, you're missing out one of our best delicacies here. More especially if you add it with the sauce. Oh my god, very tasty. And just over here we have waffles and the eggs. What is breakfast without eggs? I mean, good morning with eggs. I just saw akara and I saw beans as well here. Nyebe, we call it nyebe. I mean, I feel like I'm having breakfast with the taste of home because you don't get this in any other hotel apart from Kombo Beach Resort. And over here, we have the coffee machine. Now it's time for me to dig in, but the first thing I'm going to do, as my grandmother will say, is tangal savory. I mean, drink tea first. This is like mormor or kinkeluba. I mean, it's not the ordinary tea that I'm used to buying from the shop. This tea actually is tasting great. Okay. Because we have the fruit station and I'm here to get fruits from this amazing lady. Oh, thank you there. Thank you so much. Where else do you get breakfast and fruits? Oh my god. I saw baobab. Wow. Wonjo. There is not a single day that I'm not coming here to get breakfast. There is baobab, there is wonjo, there is everything. Let's have some baobab. Have you ever tried mixing baobab and wonjo? Gives you an amazing cocktail. Look at that. My breakfast is now complete. If you're not a guest, if you're outside and you want to come to the hotel to get breakfast with your family, friends and loved ones, all you need to do is pay $750 to get this amazing, because this is a buffet and you get to eat as much as you can. There's no limitation when you come to Kombo Beach Resort. We eat till we fly. See you next time.